It was another day dominated by the Indians. They would have resumed on 318 for 2 with Captain Shubman Gill and Yashasvi Jaiswal at the wicket. Yashasvi Jaiswal was run out. He added only 2 to his overnight score. So he was dismissed for 175. Shubman Gill then, continued to, push the score on. I mean, India finished on 518 for 5 declared, with Shubman Gill getting another 100. He was unbeaten on 129. I mean, Shubman Gill is just, in another class. He has an insatiable appetite for scoring runs. He had that hunger to score runs. I mean, as captain, he has played 12 innings so far, and he has amassed over 900 runs as captain so far at an average of over 84 runs. So you can see he has been thriving, since he was given the captain of the test team. West Indies, in reply, they closed day 2 on 140 for 4, with, Athanase being the top scorer so far. He scored 41 runs. And Captain Shea Hope is currently unbeaten on 31. I mean, what I find with the Delhi pitch, it's very difficult, especially for the right-hand batters to score, square off the wicket. So they have to, come down the pitch or drive the ball through, extra cover area or down the ground. It's very difficult to square off the wicket. I hope that Shea Hope and, Tevin Imlach can push the score on tonight. And one of them try to get, or even both of them try to get, a big score. West Indies, they're I hope that we can, get the Indians to bat a second time. Ravindra Jadeja will be a handful tonight for the West Indies batters. We would have seen, that started last night. He would have picked up 3 wickets so far, 3 for 37 from 14 overs. And he will continue to bowl that nagging off stump to middle stump line. And he will vary his pace, very well, while bowling. So that's something that the West Indies batters will have to contend with. And our bowlers, our spin bowlers, they weren't as effective as the Indian bowlers. Even though Jamil Warrican would have picked up 3 for 98 from his 34 overs, but the Indian spinners, they have been very effective so far in this test match.